Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a simple trick to customizing who can see your friend list. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your menu. Press on Settings and Privacy. Press on Settings. Now scroll down and click on How people find and contact you. Here you can see the option of Who can see your friend list. Press on this. From here you can customize your friend list. You can set it as public, friends, friends of friends, specific friends and only me. I'm setting here only me. And press on Save. That's it. So this is the simple trick to customizing who can see your friend list. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.